Hello friends, myself Rohit and welcome all of you on Rohit Tech Study channel. So dear friends, today I have topic that how to create links within a page. You can create links on a page to go on top or bottom etc. To create a link within a page, HTML provides two attributes. Number 1 ID, identification, and number 2 hash. So dear friends, ID attributes is used to mark the elements or place on the page to which you want to make a link. ID attributes is not used with link tags. For example, and dear friends, hash attributes used with link tag to create a link to top page. Element within the current page. Hash attribute must be followed by the ID of the element to which you want to link. For example, so dear friends, now we see this practically, creating links within a page. Suppose you have some text here and link go to top of the page displays at bottom of the page. When you click on the link, top of the page will be displayed in your browser. So dear friends, I hope that all of you understand that how to creating links within a page. If you want to learn HTML language coding, so I provide HTML playlist in this video description by which you got all lecture of HTML.